So most of you guys asked yesterday that please create a video related to labs which are not working so that we can avoid it and save our time and do something productive in that time. So here is the video and one more query. If you avoid those labs, will you get the badge or not? We'll cover that also in this video. But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and do like the video. Now coming to the topic directly, which labs are not working. This is our arcade homepage. You are signed into your cloud skills boost. Coming to the first two labs, which is present in the week 4 trivia. Okay, week 4 trivia this the life cycle lab, and one more is the hosting lab. Avoid these two labs at any cost because these are not working. Actually, we are trying, and when you just complete the task, it's showing that policy is not updated. Maybe there is some internal glitch. Whenever it will be fixed, I will update you. Two labs have been covered. Now coming to the base camp. Okay, base camp. January. Here this lab, the configure cloud buckets with load balancing fault tolerance. Basically, it's the tolerance lab which is having issue. It is also not working. So total three labs are not working as of now. If you find any other labs, you can comment down below. Regarding the monitoring multiple projects, one lab was there in the level 1. If I just show you, okay, it's already open. This lab. Okay, it has been fixed and the solutions also are available in the channel. Make sure to watch it and just complete the lab. And for other remaining labs, just complete it. See, the problem is that most of you are worried that if I complete the lab and some labs are missing. For example, just imagine, let's take a demo example from there only. If these two if this lab, that is the tolerance lab, is not fixed and I completed all the labs, only this is remaining, so will I get the point or my points will be wasted? Like, will I get the base camp badge or not? Similarly for the week 4 trivia, so the answer is yes, you'll get the badge, because if the issue is not resolved, they genuinely and they every year they just remove this tag, that is required tag, in the what's next section, which you must have seen. Here no required tag is that. Most of you are asking that we need to complete this also, so the answer is no. You can avoid the what's next section. There is no need to worry about it, right? So here, what is the update as per the team, that if you avoid this lab, if the lab is not fixed, it will the required tag will be removed from here and you'll get the badge automatically. In simple words, either they'll fix the lab or either they will remove the tag. Means either you have to complete the lab if they fix, or you have to just complete other remaining labs, you'll get the badge. Do not worry, all the updates are being covered in the channel. If you just check the channel playlist also, you can just navigate and check the channel also. Today I posted about how you can participate in the Google Cloud Arcade, that too in Hindi. If you can't understand Hindi, here is the English guide also. You can just watch it and just understand the program and register it. All the queries I have covered in this playlist. Okay, you can see what is the arcade spots, very minute and basic doubts. Like here, how to just participate, how to do all the things, how to share your credits, how to create your accounts, what is Facilitator program, what is Arcade Insider email, which everyone is talking about nowadays. So all things are covered in this channel. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. And if you find any other labs, then do comment down below. One lab many people are saying that here in the working with data prep, while updating the bucket name, you have to select BigQuery only, which I have already explained in the video. Watch the video carefully, slowly. Many of you are just directly navigating to the GitHub link. Okay, watch the video because in some videos you need to understand the most important concepts, then only you'll be able to complete the lab, because sometimes some manual steps are always required in the lab. So just take it out and do like the video and subscribe the channel, guys. Have a great day ahead.